Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to resend an invitation on Evite. Now if you want to resend an invitation on Evite but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to resend an invitation for Evite, whether because someone has missed the original invite or you want to ensure everybody has received it but you don't know how to resend it again to the guest, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end. Now the first thing which you need to do is the install Evite app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, open the Evite app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you may log into your account. Now you need to click on the option of My Events, which is at the very bottom taskbar. So click on it. You need to select the events which you want to resend invitation. So I have not currently created any event. So if you have created the event, you will see in the option of invitation, sign up sheets, or on the page of My Events. So you need to click on the event which you want to send the re-invitation for or the resend invitation. Then you need to click on the event detail page and you will see the option like resend invitation or send invitation. Now this may depend on the version of the Evite. So you may choose to resend the invitation to all the guests, or you may also select the specific guest you want to resend the invitation. So select the guest according to your choice and you will see the option of send. So click on it to resend the invitation to all of your guests. So that's it. That's how you can resend the invitation on Evite. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.